application block. The ceramic coating itself got a nice weight to it. A really nice microfiber. Got some gloves and some smaller microfibers for our application block. Instructions for people like me who have never done this. This is a couple weeks of brake dust, untouched. Let's see what a water hose by itself, no attachments, will do to this. Still see a lot of brake dust that's kind of almost half baked into the powder coat finish, but it did get the big stuff off. Let's see what a power washer will do with just water, a Walmart brand electric power washer. If we were to ceramic coat the wheels, I wonder if the brake dust would come off almost to a perfect finish with just a water hose because of that ceramic barrier that it creates on top of the finish of the wheel. Let's find out. Starting the process with cleaning, we got some Superior Image Wheel X chemical. I have some links in the description to order some, but we need to get these wheels as clean as possible. Wheel X just removes iron and brake dust, helps get it off chemically, and then the power washer helps blow it off completely. Getting every crevice, including the hubcap. We have some Superior Image Diamond Bright degreaser. Now this is going to be great for cleaning in and out of every crevice of this wheel. I'm going to take my time and hit the front and the back completely. Anywhere you think that the ceramic coating can go, we want to clean it with some degreaser or something close to it. First step of the application process is our application block covered in a cloth, and we're going to pinch it tight on the sides, shake up our ceramic coating, take the lid off, pop the seal off, put about 10 to 12 drops on it, and apply it evenly on the surface, front to back and side to side. You'll see the type of motion that you need to do and cover every single part of this wheel to ensure that you have a high quality finish, get the durability that you want from it. Take your time. I have it sped up so you can see all the different areas. Then we grab our microfiber towel and get all the areas that the block could not. We want to keep the edge of the microfiber wet to ensure that we're getting a smooth finish on everything, and then take our green towel and clean any excess off. That will go onto the front and go ahead and coat the entire front, and then take our green microfiber and dry it off completely to get any excess coating off of it. Fast forwarding, it's been a minute. We're letting things dry now before we do the second coat, but let's go over a few things. What would this cost you if you took it to a professional? If you had your whole car with paint done, $700 plus. If you had wheels done, it might be less, depends on what shop you go to, but not even close to how affordable this kit is. To increase the durability of this coating, I am going to be putting 2 coats on and waiting about an hour after each coat before I apply another one. You want to do a maximum of 3 coats. It's only been a little bit and I've noticed a nice gloss finish. That's definitely a perk to applying one of these coatings. In the kitchen, wash your hands. Let's talk about how this nanotechnology works. So when you see a hard surface like your wheels, it's not perfectly flat like this. Think of it as a line that kind of has like pores in it, you know, a little scratch, you know, just kind of squealy like this. Like all the hard surfaces you see are just like that. They are not perfectly flat. When we apply a ceramic coating, think about it as like it's filling all these pores and leaving a solid flat finish that also is super slick and lets grime, dirt, brake dust slide off of it really quick, which makes it easier to clean, harder for stuff to stick to, and overall easier maintenance. car in the shade so we can get an accurate reading on how dirty these wheels are, make sure it's even. So when we look at the spokes up close, we're seeing a lot of black specks. We're seeing a lot of darker spots. When we look at the wheel, like what's this big old piece of tar or whatever? This is just with the hose, remember. Look at all the stuff in the barrel too. Walking over to the Avalon King wheel side, just with the hose. Nice and white. You can't say it's perfect, nor could any product cover it from tar or the road perfect, but it is noticeably, drastically cleaner than the non-ceramic coat side. So if I were to blast these off real quick, I know that with the hose I can get them at least looking this clean, and from a couple foot distance, perfect. If I want a deep clean, regardless of the situation, you're going to be spending some extra time. So I think this is a great way to protect your wheels and keep things looking clean. If you like what you see, you want to ceramic coat your wheels, I have a link in the description, a promo code on the screen you guys can use to save 25% off. And if you follow myself on Instagram as well as Avalon King, DM me proof that you did, show me a picture of your wheels that you want to coat, and I'll be picking one person on my Instagram to give this away to. I'll be posting you on my story, I'll tag you so you know. I appreciate you guys stopping by, but before you go, I want you to know that there's a Facebook group under the name Karma Speed. That is a community on this channel who likes to build confidence in the garage. All positive people, great individuals, great community, awesome conversations. There's almost or over 700 members. I'm encouraging everyone to go there and join it. That is a resource for you guys to get help on things when I can't obviously respond to all of you very quickly in the DMs on Instagram. I do encourage you guys to reach out to me. I'd love to start a conversation with you and try and get back to everyone. But the Facebook group is a great alternative for that. And if you have a car you like to show off, if you want to show what you have to the community, your car that you've been working on, or you want to see what other cars are in the community other subscribers have, they're like-minded individuals, find people with the same cars as you, whatever, we have the Karma Speed Instagram account. So the brand is all about you guys. The best way to support it is with the new drop coming on June 10th at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We have 3 rad shirts coming. I posted it in one of the previous videos. I'll see if you guys can go find it if you don't know what those shirts look like. But we put a ton of time and effort and money. I can't wait for June 10th. I hope to see you guys there. Don't forget about the Facebook group link in the description as well as Instagram. Follow us both on Instagram to win one of these and get your wheels ceramic coated. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Can't wait for one of you guys to get this and all of you guys to be ceramic coating your wheels.